Hey guys, it is day 2, round 2 of the Hobie BOS on Lake Sam Rayburn, sponsored by FPV Power and Mariner Direct. I just made it to my spot. It's about 8:30. It's an hour and a half after line's in. We had a weather delay this morning for our launch because there's some severe thunderstorms rolling in this afternoon. And what I did is I completely changed my whole game plan. I'm sitting in like 51st place as of the beginning of this morning. And, you know, I'm probably not going to cash a check. So I decided to come to a place on the lake that I've never fished before. So I've never been here. I found this little backwater kind of pond. Took me a minute to get through some of this cypress to get in here. And it's looking pretty cool. It was like chocolate milk on the way in, and it has cleared up significantly back here. So this might be kind of neat. I'm going to skip a fluke around a little bit. I'm going to wacky worm a little bit. I've got a Texas rig craw tied on. And I mean, that's pretty much all I brought with me. I didn't even bring my crate. I bought my terminal box and my soft plastics box and a box of jackhammers. And that's what we're going to fish with today. So hopefully I can catch a few before the weather gets too bad. I probably will go in early today. I've got about maybe like a 30-minute clip to get back to the boat ramp. It looks like it's gonna be relatively easy to get back even if the weather turns bad, but I wanted to be close to the ramp today. So, you know, this spot I may not catch a thing. You never know. But we're gonna go fishing. We're gonna have a good time. I'm gonna try to stay dry today. And we'll see if we can catch something. This is a really cool spot. I can't believe how much it cleared up back here. I mean, when I say it was chocolate milk on the way in, I mean, it was chocolate milk. There. Now I feel like a giant wiener. It just blew right behind me. Looks like it's gonna blow right on by. Ooh, that's a bite. Yes! It's not a great big one, but look at that. Look at that. And I thought I wasn't going to catch anything today. Come on now. Oh, so good. Oh, my hand is slimy. I think you'll go. Okay, 13 and a quarter. So when I looked at the weather forecast last night in several different places, it kind of looked like, so I'm fishing kind of the south end of the lake. On the more like a western side, I guess. And from what I could tell, I mean, it was supposed to get bad, but this was supposed to miss the worst of it. I mean, it does, and there's supposed to be multiple bands, so there's supposed to be another band come through of weather. But I mean, hey, if I'm gonna catch them dragging a worm through these trees right here around the boat ramp, I don't care if they're all 12 inches. Who cares? I'll sit here in the rain all day and jerk 12-inch fish off cypress trees. if it means I'm safe. You know, of course, I'd much rather a big fish. My sister is very worried about me. Which I appreciate very much. What I would appreciate more is a 10-pound bass on the end of my line. I mean, I wouldn't really appreciate that more than my sister. Oh. Yes? No? No. Get bit! There's one at 11 something. Oh. It's definitely a fish. Okay, let's see. Wrapped around something. Oh. There we go. What were you wrapped around, buddy? Oh, how handsome. Oh, yes. You, my friend, are going for a little ride on the boat. That's not a bad one, y'all. I am wishing I wore my gloves today, though, because I didn't bring my net. My net's in the car. This is what, maybe 15? Look at me saying I wasn't going to catch anything today. 16 inches, guys. Look at that. Get out of here, buddy. All right, let's do that again. Time to go. Okay, well, I had to come back to the house. The weather got really bad in the area that I was in, and I was surrounded by lightning. Yeah, it was awful. So I had to pull off of the water a little bit early. I'm a little disappointed because this end of the lake that I'm on right now is beautiful. I thought about relaunching and trying to fish out the end of the day, but probably by the time that I got there, it's like 40 minutes to the closest spot where the weather's good. And then getting everything unloaded and rigged back up and getting back out of the water, I probably only had maybe 30, 40 minutes to fish because I had to have to get off the water early anyway to go turn my fish in because there's very little service around Sam Rayburn and we don't have any extra time to get our fish submitted. So I got 2 fish today, more than what I was expecting to get given the conditions. So I mean, that's good. Wish that the weekend had gone better than it did, but we can't control the weather. I'm really proud of everybody out there that got out and stuck it out. I'm sad that I had to get off the water a little bit early, but, you know, sometimes it's like that. I'd rather be safe than stranded somewhere, so I had played it safe this time, and that's it. So we will catch you guys at the next tournament. Good luck, everybody.